So let's talk about how to do a quiz in Plus Portals. I am definitely of the opinion we should keep as much inside Plus Portals as we can. We don't have to type in names or add students. We just can use what's already been built for us. So here's my class. I went to astronomy since it's a first semester class, and I actually created this quiz. Let me show you how I did that. So under quiz, I'm going to add a new quiz. And I'm going to scroll down here and I see quiz builder. So you must give it a title. I'm going to say test 2. Description. Seeing how this works. Don't do. You can put whatever you need there. So, time limit. I'm going to say they have 30 minutes to do this because I'm not going to give them very many questions. So, I have to give it a due date. So, I'm going to say the due date is Saturday. And I'm going to make this visible to parents. And so, I have to give it a publish date. So, I would publish it maybe tomorrow. And then I'm going to allow students to attempt multiple times? No. Now, if this was something like a formative, I want to see if after watching a video they did better than before, then I would allow them multiple attempts. But if I just want them to take it once, see how they do, I could do this. And so I'm going to leave it as only one attempt. I'm going to say score is visible to parents and students. And make review quiz visible so now they can see the right or wrong answers. And now I'm going to go to add an assignment to gradebook. When I do this, just like with an assignment, now these 3 things pop up. And I'm going to say, make this a homework. And then marking period would be 4th. And then the points I'm going to give it, let's say 10 points. And now I'm going to save this. And if I have any errors in here, a little red box shows up just like when you do an assignment and you don't do it quite right, which happens to me a lot. So now I'm going to add or edit a section. For whatever reason, you have to give it a description. So I'm just going to call this questions. And I'm going to save that. And now I'm going to edit and add questions. So here comes the actual part where you're building in the questions. You have to tell it what type of question it is. So multiple choice drop down. So this is astronomy. Let's say which of the following is a moon of Earth? So this question, I'm going to give them 5, so each one will be 2 points. And I want to randomize the questions. I'm going to add an answer. And let's say we call it Juno. And now I want to add another one. Let's say Apollo. And let's give another choice, Moon. And another choice, no idea. So of these, Moon would be the correct answer. You have to put in a correct answer before you can go on. Don't click anything other than save if you want to add more questions. You have to click save, and now it has added that one. And it looks like you're on the same screen, but you're not. That question is down here. You're now ready to add another question up here. So now I could do, let's do a true false. Earth is the closest planet to the sun. So this also has to have a point value. Randomize the options. That's why they don't get in the same order. I'm going to say true. I'm going to put in false. And I'm going to mark false as the correct answer. I'm going to, again, just click save. And now it's been added. So if you wanted them to write out an answer, explain the stages of a star. So this one might need to be more points because that's a longer answer. And notice you don't have any answer to put in. This will be a question that you're going to have to grade. So you're going to have to read it and assign points to it once it's been completed. And so you click save. It's been added. Now, I told the computer this was going to be a 10-point quiz, but I only have 8 points so far. As you can see down here under points, it's only 8. So I'm going to add one more. Let's do multiple answers. Which of these have moons? So I'm going to make this 2 points. Allow partial credit for correct answers. Randomize my choices. Let's put in Earth. And this is correct. Well, actually, this is not correct because Earth has only one moon. I made this plural. So let's put in Venus. And let's add one more. Let's put in Jupiter. Jupiter has multiple moons. I'm going to set this as correct. I'm going to give, doesn't look like I can put partial credit in. Okay, so now let's save this. Please ensure that the points for each answer have been entered. Okay, so why won't let me do that? So now I can save it. Okay, so now I've saved this. I have all the questions in. If you make the points not equal to the total, it'll do some calculation to make it add up to the right number of points. So now I just click go back to class summary. And now if I go down here under astronomy, I see that I have 2 quizzes ready to go. It has the due date for both of them posted. Let's say you decide later, oh, I really made a mistake there. You can click delete and it'll get rid of that, which I'm going to do now because I don't want astronomy adding any grades to their first quarter grade. And so there you go. So once you have it done, you can then go up here to assignments. You could make an assignment for them so that they could see it, and it would be a couple of places for them. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please email me, let me know, and I'd be happy to set up another video. Thanks.